everyone, Jacqueline here. So I thought I'd share with you what they have at Walmart today for our plants. They're really starting to fill up their garden center. So over here we're seeing cranberry bushes, $24.99. They have a lot of honeysuckle bush, smoke bushes, $24. Little Hottie hydrangeas, and these are, I'm assuming they're $24.98. And then we have these beautiful gold mound spireas for $12.98. Really good buys. I like the little hotties. Now I'm going back to these because I'm interested in them. These are hardy zones 3 to 8 at $24.99. They're not bad. That's not a great price. Over here, of course, we have the Alberta spruces. They're expensive at $24.98, but you got some large ones, so you could do some really nice designs with them. Wichita blues here, $24.98, and then down below we have more of the cranberry bush cotoneasters. Over here we have lots of Mungo pines and juniper Genevieve for $24.98. More of the Hydrangeas, nesting spruces, Barberries, rose glow, which have a great color to them, at $24.98. Theodore Falls cypress, $12.98. Hicks yew, $12.98. On the other side here, we're getting into more hydrangeas, Blushing Bride, which is a zone 5. Then we have the Endless Summers as well. And if you're into the Endless Summer hybrids, they're $16.98. Blushing Bride for the cold zone. This is the Bloomstrucks. And these are supposed to be hardy here. Zones 4 to 9. And I'm trying to find a price on them. $16.99. That's not too bad. We have a lot of hybrid tea roses. If you're gonna do some roses, now would be the time to buy them when they're healthy. Over here we have more of the cedars. In here we have Potentillas in pink, yellows, and almost a tango orange, $12.88. More Barberries, rose glow, $12.88. That's more my price. Smoke bushes, all sorts of smoke bushes, royal purple and young lady, and velvetini, which is a dwarf. That's not looking so great. Ninebarks, center glows. And then we have Royal Jubilee Ninebark, dogwoods, all sorts of dogwoods, Hydrangeas again. Hostas, they got a really good supply of hostas in for $10.99, and you can see the big ones down here. And this is going to be some in substance, and they are $10.98. So if you love some substance, and you know I have a whole bunch of them, get to Walmart and get them for that price. That is the cheapest. Then they have all these other ones. They have the smaller ones, the Rainforest Sunrise. We have some larger ones over here that are Francine, Captain Kirk, Halcyon, Pizzazz, Regal Splendor, So Sweet, Hosta, Elgins, Russian Sage, $10.98. Peonies, and more peonies. You can see them there, Raspberry Sundae, you know, your standard peonies really. Irises. I was trying to find one that wasn't in bloom. I wanted 3 of the purple at $12.98, and they all got blooms on. I also got 3 of the variegated Argentina. 3 of the variegated Argenta variegata, or otherwise called the zebra iris. Cannas, $12.98. Dianthus, you want to really check these. I lost a lot of mine. They say zone 4 on them for the red. They're expensive on the peonies. The peonies were $8 at Home Depot. We have Stella, Dior's, $10.98. Lilacs, Callas and Cannas up here. All your bedding plants are out here. Your wave petunias are all out. $11.98 for a flat. It used to be $10. That's price up. You can see the hanging baskets are all here at $15. I'm looking for a very specific hanging basket if I can find it. Clematis, First Lady, Vagabond, Etoy, Madame Julia, all in here $15.98. I mean, these look pretty darn good. Look at the buds on them. And these are zone 3s. Look at that. Look at all the blooms on this. I'm going to take one of those. Actually, I should take 2 because I need to replace one. But I don't like the look of the rest of them. Let's see what we got down here. We have chocolate vines, hardy climbers, Virginia creeper, honeysuckles, taiga, not hardy in our zone. You must be a zone 5 and up for that one, but it's beautiful. It'll give you one season if you put it in the ground in our zone. More First Ladies there. Black raspberries, strawberries, grapes, Carmichael dwarf cherry trees, little ruby fig trees, which are zone 6. Over here, more strawberries, more vines. I mean, they're just starting to fill in this place. When I came the other day, their hanging baskets were spectacular. But since then, we've had some heavy downpours for the ones that are outside. So you kind of got to go through things. You can see $4.98 for pansies. Oh, the purple ones are beautiful. $15.98. $15.98 calibrachoas. Seems like a mouthful without not much coffee. More perennials, and that's usually what I'm after. We got bleeding hearts. Blue angel here, $10.98. They didn't have any small blue angels at Rona, which is what I was after. So I'm going to take a couple of blue angels because that's a good buy at $10.98. Get them while they're good. Look at how nice they are. Blue angels get really, really big and they put on a really nice show. I mean, we all look at the blues for our garden. So I always like to do, ooh, that one's been eaten. Bunches of 3s. That one's better. So odd numbers work good together. Because if I don't take them now, they're going to be picked over and I'm going to be bummed out. Okay, Sum and Substance, I would take some of those, but I don't need them. I'm going to divide what I have. Veronicas, Moody Blues. How much are they pricing these at? Because they're all facing backwards. $10.98. So most of the perennials are $10.98. Rainforest Sunrise, Regal Splendor, more Sum and Substance. Some of the leaves are broken on those, but they'll come back. More pots, big containers of cannas, more Hydrangeas up here. Mandeville vines. I believe these are creeping phlox. Maybe I'm wrong. No. These are sedums. I should have came and looked closer. I knew I was going to be wrong. More of the coral bells, and I'm going to take that tray. The reason I'm taking the coral bells, that tray, is they're $5 each. And I know there's not big plants, but that's reasonable. So why not, right? Get what you need when the going's good. I want more colors in them, but that will do for now. A lot of Gerber daisies. The big pots are $15. I mean, they're not giant pots. They're 1 gallons, I would say. Strawberries, $19.98. Variety of tomatoes, lavender standards. They look really good right now, you guys. These are so beautiful in the garden. Just don't overwater them. Look at that. Don't smell too much on them. But if you rub the foliage, then you get the beautiful smell. And we have herbs, all sorts of herbs here, $3. An herb garden's always so beautiful. Big containers of tomatoes. I see people buying these. And of course, they're the beefsteaks. So you definitely want them at, what's the price on them? $19.98 for the beefsteaks. They'll go fast. Everybody loves their beefsteaks. I would take a few, but I gotta wait till I can bring the van. I did not grow any tomatoes this year. We had smaller ones here too, which I like. And these are the Romas. That would be able to fit in the van. And here's smaller beefsteaks, lots of them. Lots of peppers, cabbage. I think that's broccoli. Let's see here. Kale. Oh my God, I'm bad today. I'm not a big kale eater, but I should eat it. Pumpkins. That's hilarious. We got some cold nights ahead, so don't be in a rush to get any of this if you're in a zone 3 in Saskatchewan or any place like that. We still have cold nights ahead, or you're going to be covering. All right, let's look at these peonies again. I'm looking for anything I don't have. So like, and that I'm not going to be able to buy cheaper, at a cheaper price. So this is one I won't be able to get at a cheaper price. So I'm going to take that. Oh, cart's getting kind of full. Maybe I'll take 2, just because I can get them out. Oh, they're so wet. My God. Okay, we'll take 2 of those because of the color. I like the yellow centers. All right, hanging baskets. I would say wait on those inside here. There'll be more coming in. There's trucks coming in usually a couple days a week. Okay, I'm gonna call it at that. So if you see anything you're looking for, now's the time to get it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you coming out, and happy gardening.